Hi YouTube, my name is Lucy. A long time no post. I'm a self-taught amateur seamstress. I've seen a lot of people posting what I've made in 2022 videos, and as we start a new year, I was just reflecting on everything I've made and I thought I'd make one too. I did make one of these videos for 2021. I'll link it if you want to watch it. Honestly, I was more productive that year, I would say. But that being said, I still made a lot this year that I'm proud of, so I wanted to show you guys. So, starting off with accessories, I made this knockoff Balenciaga Le Cagoli bag. These were so trendy in 2022 and I was obsessed with them, and I didn't want to get a fake one that was like made in China, but I challenged myself to make one myself. I used this leftover gray pantsuit material that I made a suit with last year. It doesn't have anything in it, so it's kind of smushing, but you can see the details on it. And I added studs. I tried to do the grommeting straps. They kind of got smushed. Here's the woven strap detail. And then my favorite part was that I made the little card holder and the heart-shaped mirror. I'm gonna cover it so it doesn't blind you. But I used cardboard around it, cut it into a heart, and then covered it in fabric. And I've actually worn this out a couple times. It's the perfect shape. The only thing is I wish I would have like stabilized it a bit more because as you can see, it's kind of slouchy, whereas the original bag is very structured. But honestly, I love this. I'm very proud of it. Okay, the other accessory I made, honestly, I just made this in a day using scrap fabric for fun, but it's a little phone sling. So your phone can either go in the top section, and then there's like a little pocket for your wallet, and then I have a grommeted strap that closes. And I just used these chain necklaces I had, like a wallet chain, to make the strap. It's pretty cute. Honestly, I haven't worn it out yet, but I think it would be good for a night out when I just want to carry my phone and like nothing else. Okay, so going into clothing, I'm gonna start with something that was more of a thrift flip than an entire project, but I found a pair of cargo pants with this floral embroidery beaded detailing that I loved. But the cargo pants were meant to be low-waisted and they were too small for my waist, but I cut them and made them into a skirt so it's like more high-waisted and it fit. Honestly, I've worn this so much that it's starting to fray. But yeah, cargo skirts were super trendy this year and I'm glad I didn't have to actually buy one. I just thrift flipped it. Okay, here's something I made for the summer. I wanted something with that linen set, like breezy look, but I couldn't find actual linen at Joann Fabrics because I live in the suburbs and we don't have good fabric stores, which sucks. Feel bad for me. I did find this cotton double gauze and I made this beach cover-up oversized shirt, and then ignore the waistband, it's kind of twisted around, but I made these little short shorts to go with it. And I actually ended up wearing this to the beach as a beach cover-up, which is what I intended it to be. It honestly might still have sand in it, but it's a little keepsake. This worked super well to like cover up my skin from the sun, but since it's the cotton double gauze, it's still like pretty breathable. The only thing I regret about this is the sleeves I should have serged and I didn't, so they started to fray a bit. But overall, I'm still really proud of this one. Okay, this next one is maybe the thing I'm most proud of that I made this year. It's this bedazzled Nudie suit. Nudie was a designer who made suits for country stars and stars like Elvis. So I was inspired by his designs. And on the back, I have these dolphins and a velvet cross that I embroidered. Hopefully the diamantes are picking up in the light, but I have these studded little diamond things in there. This was actually a really oversized on me men's suit that I got at Goodwill. And I tried to tailor it and make it flared leg. Honestly, the fit's not the best, but the embroidery on it looks so good that I'm willing to forget the fit. And I made this to wear to a Noah Cyrus concert because I'm a huge fan of hers. And I went to like the sound check beforehand And afterwards, she pointed at me in the crowd and said, "I love your suit." And I was like, "Thanks, I made it." And on the bottom, I have this like ocean wave pattern. The actual nudie suits have flames on them, so I wanted to do something to fit my, as my friend called it, Marine Jesus theme. So yeah, super proud of that. Also, in that same kind of chartreuse color, which I guess I loved this year randomly, I made this jacket. It's actually a velveteen material that I got at a yard sale. This old lady was selling like a couple yards of it. I think it might even be an upholstery fabric, but it worked perfect for this. I used a Mimi G denim jacket pattern and I just followed along. You can see the details and it has top stitching, which I love. Honestly, fall felt so short this year that I didn't even get to wear this that much, but I love it a lot. The only issue is some of the buttons started falling off, so I need to fix that. But yeah, fun. I love this material. I wish stores like Joann didn't just sell polyester and sold like fun materials like this, but I digress. Oh, also in the summer, I don't have this with me, but I made an outfit to wear to the Weekend concert. Basically I got a red blazer at Goodwill, chopped it off and made it into a halter neck, and then did corset detailing on the back. So that was super fun. I loved dressing up for a concert, being so extra, and I got a lot of compliments on it. And then this last item, I haven't even worn out yet. I made this in December because I was gonna wear it on New Year's Eve, but I kind of chickened out. But it is this dress. It's like a tube top dress, and I made it out of like 2.5 pair of old jeans that I didn't like on me. You can see it has the pleats with darker denim, and then it has frays at the end. And I also made a skinny denim scarf to wear with it. Honestly, this look is fire. I'm gonna wear it out, but I just haven't found the right occasion. In non-sewing related items, I took a stained glass class this year for the first time. I did 2 sessions of that, so I made 2 pieces. The first one is hanging, so I can't hold it up for you, but I'll insert a video. It's just like clear in the middle, and then it has leaves. And then most recently is my opus. Um, I am so proud of this. I designed it myself. It's a whale and then dolphins and then this like transparent sunburst in the middle. It's kind of hard to see on camera, but as you can see, it like matches the color scheme of my room. I need to stain it again. The stain is kind of lifting, but yeah, I'm so proud of this, guys. Look at the way the light reflects off of it. Yeah, so stained glass has been really like kind of calming and cathartic for me because the classes are 3 hours and I literally just like go in my mind palace and do it and don't think. I'm gonna take it again this year and probably make something even bigger. If you have any suggestions, leave them in the comments because I kind of want to follow this dolphin motif, which I also did with that jacket. Yeah, I'll try to post a picture of this in the sunlight so you can really see it. Yeah, so that's everything I made in 2022. One of my goals for 2023 is learning to crochet and like branching into new mediums. So I'm excited to do that and definitely gonna sew more. I don't really have any like big projects planned. I've just been feeling pretty uninspired lately, but hopefully the sewing bug catches me again and I get more ideas. All right, thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please like it and subscribe to my channel if you want. Honestly, I haven't been posting that much, but maybe that'll change. I say that all the time. Yeah, like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.